Welcome to MathWave, an innovative AI-based platform that lets you solve mathematical problems using just your hand gestures. This project redefines how students interact with math by making it more interactive, engaging, and accessible, especially for learners with disabilities or those who face difficulties with traditional input devices. To begin using the platform, user needs to sign up with basic credentials. Once signed up, they simply log in using their account to access the full set of features. This ensures secure access and a personalized learning experience. MathWave combines gesture recognition with advanced AI to deliver accurate solutions for problems ranging from simple arithmetic to complex calculus with 95% accuracy and responses in just 1 to 2 seconds. So after clicking on the Let's Start button, opens a new page that contains two main areas, the air canvas on the left and the output panel on the right. The system operates using specific hand gestures. Index finger is used to draw mathematical queries in the air. Thumb gesture clears the canvas completely and four fingers act as trigger for the system to process the input and display the solution. So behind the scenes, MediaPipe and a webcam detect the user hands in real time. The system uses deep learning to interpret your gestures into mathematical expressions. Once the system identifies the expression, it instantly solves it using an integrated AI model and displays the answer on the right side. We have seen that the user draws 2 plus 3 using the index finger and the answer shows 5 within 1 to 2 seconds. And again we try a square root of 25, the answer shows 5. And for more complex example, the user draws integral symbol of x dx and the answer is also correct. So the AI applies the power rule of integration and provides the full step-by-step solution. This shows how MathWave handles problems of various difficulty levels. MathWave also features an interactive quiz model, so a user can solve gesture-based quizzes, and if they perform well, they earn badges as rewards. To ensure inclusivity for users across different regions, MathWave includes Google Translation integration. With a single click, user can switch the entire interface to a language they are comfortable with. In our demo, we have tested the platform with Bengali and Hindi, and all content including instructions, results and explanation is translated instantly. This feature is crucial for learners who may struggle with English, enabling them to grasp concepts better and feel more confident while using the tool. This makes MathWave an inclusive solution for India's multilingual student population, bridging the gap in regional language education.